So here's a chorus to one of my songs, which starts with the lead vocal and then it goes to more effective robotic voice. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Through the thunder and dark, I'm standing my ground. There's no coming back and no turn around. Pulling up on sticks, I know I won't break. I've got so much to give, more than you can take. So much to give, 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 so much to give.
For this assignment, I'll focus on tracks 4 and 5, our mechanic robotic vocals, to show how we can use some audio effects rather creatively. So let's solo those tracks, like color them in pink, and listen to the tracks on their own.
So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's more than you can take. So
Okay, you got an idea. And now let's listen to them without all the effects.
so much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's more than you can take.
Okay, it's more human, more flat, not as exciting. So now let's delete all the effects and recreate them from scratch. So I just erased all the effects and I ran my vocals through Melodyne. And Melodyne is a third-party plugin that's pretty expensive, but it can do a lot of cool stuff with your vocals or any audio track. And what I want to do first, before even going into effects, is cut out those pieces of breath before and after every vocal phrase. And I will be doing it in Melodyne. The first plugin I'll be using is the EQ. And here what I want to think is extreme. So I'll be taking out lows a lot, up to 200 to 300 hertz. And then I'll boost just a tiny bit mid to high ranges around 3500 hertz. And let's hear the playback. It already sounds more mechanic.
So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's more than you can take. So
The next plugin I'm using is Pitch Correct. And normally Pitch Correct will sound ridiculously fake, and especially if you use something that's just built into Logic, just a built-in plugin. But for this purpose of creating very mechanic voice, it's perfect. With the pitch correction, I'm setting my response all the way down to 0. I want it to be extreme, and I want it to sound as mechanic as possible. I'm setting my scale. I'm in F minor. The song is in F minor. And let's play back the track.
so much to give, it's more than you can take.
It's in like certain notes. It's not really correcting properly. It's just taking to different pitch. So you can bypass certain notes. And I know that these two notes will kind of fix the problem.
So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give.
Very cool. Very nice robotic voice. We're done with Pitch Correct here. The next plugin we'll be using is the Compressor. Got dynamic effects, compressors. Okay, and here's the idea is exactly the same. We're just really trying to go for extremes. So I'll take the ratio up to 4. My attack, I want to be really low. I want it to jump in right away. Let's keep it at 3. Release, I want to be pretty low as well. And let's keep it at 9. Now let's play it back and set the compressor threshold.
So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's
I'll
more
go
than
to
you can
35
So
and now
much to-
I'll increase my gain.
So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's more
Let's keep it
than
here.
you can take.
And lastly, I will add just a little bit of a delay. And I go to Reverb, Plugins, Space Designer. And here I will just touch the amount of reverb. Let's play it back and adjust the levels.
So much to give, it's more than.
It's way too much. How about here?
So much to give, it's more than you can take.
I like it.
So much to give, it's more than.
Okay, so we're all set with our plugins. What I'm gonna do next is just copy them over onto the next track with our robotic voice, holding Alt Command key, and just dragging them over one by one. Now let's listen to the voice tracks separately.
So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's more than you can take. So much to give, it's more than
And with the
you
rest of the
can
track.
take. So much